So I was in the market for a new LED work light and I came across this one and I'm excited to see how it works. Let's open up the box and show you what it's all about. And just like that, that's how simple it is to put this together. I am glad that I got this. I can't wait to see how bright 21,000 lumens is, because it should then illuminate any room that you put this work light in. Simply turn it on. And now you have an entire area that is lit up. Each light, you could move it in any direction to really light up the spot that you're working in. Next thing I like is the extra long cord. Just in case if you forgot an extension cord, you should be able to plug this in any outlet in whatever room you're working in. The next thing I like about this is that there is a 2-tier level system. You just loosen these up and then tighten them up, and you could put it up out of the way, so that way when you are in a workspace, you're not going to blind yourself by having it at eye level. Now, if you needed to get rid of the stand and just maybe bring this up into an attic to illuminate it, all you have to do is unscrew the center piece. And now you could use it to illuminate small spaces, maybe a crawl space, a basement, or even an attic. On the bottom, there's going to be a button, so you could turn each individual one on or off. And then simply just put it right back onto the stand, screw it in, and you're good to go. And as simple as when you just need to leave the job site and collapse it, all you got to do is twist this screw, tighten it, unplug it, and then throw it into your work truck or put it on the wall out of the way till next time. Definitely recommend this for anybody that is looking for their next work light to illuminate their project. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.